Greetings everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about artificial neural network. Artificial neural networks are powerful computational models inspired by human brain. They are designed to learn patterns, make predictions, and tackle complex problems. They consist of interconnected nodes known as artificial neurons or units, which collaborate to process and comprehend information. Let's consider an everyday scenario to better understand the workings of a neural network. Imagine you have the task of distinguishing between apples and oranges based on their color and size. Teaching a computer to automatically perform this task would require the application of a neural network. A neural network comprises three primary components: the input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. The input layer receives the initial data, in this case the color and size of the fruit. Each feature, such as color and size, is represented as a node within the input layer. The hidden layers, situated between the input and output layers, process information and uncover meaningful patterns from the input data. Each node within a hidden layer receives inputs from all nodes in the previous layer and transmits its output to the nodes in the subsequent layer. Finally, the output layer. It produces the ultimate prediction or result. In our example, it determines whether the fruit is classified as an apple or an orange. The number of nodes in the output layer corresponds to the number of possible outcomes, with two nodes representing apple and orange in this case. Now let's explore some essential concepts that drive the learning and predictive capabilities of neural networks, namely weights and biases. In the context of a neural network, weights plays a critical role in determining the network's prediction. Returning to our apple and orange example, the neural network assigns weights to the feature of color and size, signifying the importance or influence of each feature in the decision-making process. Weights are like special knobs that the computer adjusts to pay attention to different things when deciding if a fruit is an apple or an orange. It's like listening to different friends who know a lot about fruits. We trust the friends who are experts in apples and oranges more. The computer does something similar by giving different importance to things like the fruit's color and size. This helps the computer focus on the important things and make better decisions. This is where the weights and their influence come in. The computer uses these weights to decide if a fruit is an apple or an orange based on its color and size. For example, if the color is red and the size is big, the computer might say yes, it's an apple. But if the color is yellow and the size is small, it might say no, it's not an apple. These weights and their influence help the computer make the final decision and tells us if a fruit is an apple or an orange based on its color and size. Apart from the importance of weights, there is something else that helps our special computer decide if a fruit is an apple or an orange. It's called the bias, and it's like a special starting point for making decisions. Imagine you have a friend who always leans towards one choice more than the other. Even if the information is not very strong, they still have a preference. In our computer, the bias is similar. It helps the computer make a decision even when the information is not very clear. Let's say the computer is trying to decide if a fruit is an apple or an orange. If the bias is set in a way that makes the computer leans towards thinking of an apple, it will be more likely to say yes, it's an apple, even if the color and size don't strongly suggest it. So in our apple and orange example, the bias works together with the weights. The weights tell the computer how important the color and size are, and the bias adds its own opinion. This helps the computer make the final decision about whether the fruit is an apple or an orange. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.